Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. First, I will open WhatsApp and going to delete few chats. Then, I will uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. After waiting a few hours, I will open newly installed WhatsApp and login using my number. Now, it should ask if you want to restore your chats. Just tap restore and your messages will come back. If it doesn't ask, unfortunately, chats can't be recovered. But don't worry, stick around till the end because I will also show you how to protect your chats from future losses. To set up a local backup, go to WhatsApp settings, chats and chat backup. Then tap backup to save your chats manually and turn on automatically daily backups, so you never lose them again. This creates the backup file in your phone's storage that you can restore anytime. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.